How to use Android 15 screen recording with audio control. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to never miss an update. So first of all, open up your system quick settings. Then simply swipe down and find screen recording. If you don't find the option here, simply tap on three dots. Then tap on customize or edit tiles. Now find screen recording and simply tap on the plus icon. Then go back. Then tap and hold the screen recording. Now here you can find different audio controls. You can manually change all of the settings here. Now to start the screen recording, simply go back to the home screen, open up your quick settings and tap on the screen recording icon. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.